What is up, everyone? This is Kevin from Hapayu Gardening, and I am back again. It has been about 2 years since my last video where I was trying to grow pumpkins in my front yard. Yeah, we know. You ghosted us again. Where did you go? I hear you. So, this YouTube channel is my side gig. I do work professionally full time where I am a digital product manager. And something else that I haven't shared over the years is that I do have a now 6-year-old daughter who has Down syndrome and autism. So over the last 6, 7 years, she has been one of my top priorities. Okay, so why are you back now? Good question. So right now, I'm actually taking a little break from my professional life, and having seen how my videos continue to get a lot of views, I figured, why not try to give this another shot? All right, well, how do we know you're not going to ghost us again? So while I can't make any promises that I won't bail on all of you again, it would be really helpful if you subscribe to my channel, went back and watched my videos and liked all my videos. That would certainly help motivate me and incentivize me to continue putting up videos that you enjoy. Done. Now go make me more videos. Okay. So over the coming weeks, I will be posting more videos to give you an update on this year's garden. I am growing pumpkins once again. And as you can see, I do have a couple of planters with some tomatoes, peppers, and I'm also growing a lot of zucchini this year. So thank you all for your support over the years and giving me the motivation right now to come back and try to revive this channel again. Be on the lookout for some more videos in the coming weeks. And as usual, happy gardening, everyone.